Good day. Today we will be looking at how we create a blog using Google Blogger. First thing, log into your Google account. Click on the app button. Scroll down, click on more. And here we're going to select Blogger. Once the page is loaded, we are then going to click on New Blog. Over here, I have my list of blogs. At the bottom, I have New Blog option. If you have never created a blog, the first thing that you'll see here is New Blog. So you just go ahead and click on New Blog. Provide a title for your blog. Computers 101. And here we have to supply a unique title for our blog. All right. The title has to be unique. This title is not unique, so you'll have to specify something. All right, so let's try again. Still not unique, so I'll have to supply something. All right, so this one is available, Computer J8 2008. To keep things simple, I'm going to use the simple theme. So I'm going to click on simple. Click create. Once you have selected the theme, click create. And there you would have completed the creation of your blog. All right. So now once you create your blog, you'll notice that the name of the blog is listed here. All right. Now, there are two main things that we will add to our blog. We are going to be adding posts and we're going to be adding pages to our blog. Now, to create a post, we click here on new post. And first, I'm going to make a blog on memory. So I'm going to give you the title, memory, computer memory. Once you have provided your title, here you can populate your blog with some information. So I'm going to provide a definition for memory. And here I'm going to be adding a picture of a memory. So to add a picture, what I do is click on this icon here, this button that says insert image. If the image is located on the computer, I'm going to choose upload file here. Navigate to where the image is saved. In my case, it is saved in my picture. So I'll look for my pictures. And when you scroll down to whichever file you're looking for. I know which file I'm looking for. It's called RAM. So I'm going to select RAM. All right, and these are other locations that we could add files from. We could also add a file from a URL and so forth. So if you locate a file on the internet and has the address for it, you can use it. I'm going to choose that selected. All right, good. So this is a post. Normally, when you make a post, you expect your students to comment. All right, so I could ask my students a question. Now, bear in mind that in the 21st century, the job of teacher is not merely to supply students with information, but actually to guide them as to how they can ascertain their own information and create their own knowledge. All right. So we're not gonna create things for them to reproduce. We want to steer them in a direction so they can create stuff for themselves. All right. So I'm gonna have my students doing some research here. I'm gonna ask what are the So my students will respond to this to the blog by answering these questions. So once I'm finished with the post, I'm going to click publish. All right. So if you're not ready to publish, you can click save and go back and complete it and publish it after. But once you're finished with a post, you publish. All right, good. So if I come over to the left here and click view blog, you'll notice that my post is timestamped and it's shown on the screen. So there is a computer memory, and a student who has access to this will now be able to comment on this post, all right, and to give their feedback where necessary. All right. Now I'm going to take you through creating a page for your blog. Now to create a page, we're going to come down here to pages. And then we click on new page. All right. So the page I'm going to be creating is one that's titled memory unit. I'm going to say memory unit. So your page must have a title. All right. So you're expected to give your page a title. Now, normally, the information on the page is going to be somewhat static in nature, in the sense that we don't generally expect our students to comment on the page. All right. We don't generally expect them to add comment to what is on the page. What I did here is I just copy this information and paste it here. All right. So if you have information like in a Word document, you can always copy it and paste it on the page that you want to post. As well as you can type everything from scratch and insert your image, and you can also insert videos when necessary. So if you click on that icon, it gives you the option to insert a video. All right. So if you wish to insert a video, for example, let's say you want to insert a video from YouTube, you click and you click here and you say from YouTube. And right here, you just go to YouTube, for argument's sake, copy the address of the video and come back to your blog and paste the address here for the video. All right. Once you paste the address, you hit the search button. Once the video is located, click on it and choose select. All right. So that adds the video to your page. The same procedure can be applied for the post. So once I'm finished with the page, I click publish. All right. And we can add as many pages as possible. Now, let's view the blog and see what happens. All right, so if you notice here, we're not seeing the page that we created a while ago. All right, so let's take you quickly through the steps that are required to show the page. Now, in order for you to see the page that you created, the first thing you're gonna have to do is to go to layout. All right, so here at layout, we're gonna come down to cross column. And here we're gonna choose add gadget. And the gadget I'm gonna be adding is a page. So I'm gonna click here on the plus sign beside pages. And what I'm gonna do is to tick all the pages that I would love to show. Once that is done, click save. Click save arrangement. All right. And let's click view blog. And now if you notice, there's a little difference in the cross column here. So here I have the home button, I have the memory unit option that takes me to the page that I just created. All right. And if we add other pages to our blog, then we will also be seeing them here. All right. So this is the video that we inserted. If you click play, it will play just as you would on YouTube. All right. So if I wish to add another page or another post, just repeat the procedure. All right. So that's how it is done. All right. So thank you very much for viewing, and I hope that you find this helpful in